breaking inputs coming in. We're given to understand that Guyana and Barbados are going to confer their top awards to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So Guyana and Barbados will confer their national awards to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the highest award in these respective countries. Order of Excellence Award for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Barbados also to confer their top award to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's go across to Pragya, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Pragya, in fact, yet another feather in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cap, one would say.
Absolutely right, and Prime Minister received a grand welcome when he reached Guyana. In fact, the President himself came along with the 4 cabinet ministers to receive Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now they have announced that Guyana and Barbados both will be conferring their topmost honorary award to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, Guyana has said that their top award, the Order of Excellence, has been conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Barbados will be giving Freedom of Barbados to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, the tally of the international awards and the topmost honorary awards of these particular countries has reached 19 as far as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is concerned. Obviously, it's a validation for the foreign policy and all the efforts that Prime Minister is putting into ensuring that the India became the voice of the global south as well as of the countries who have been till now kept out of the development agenda, and also from the groupings of those countries where only the developed countries and developing nations are part of. So this is also an achievement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and all these countries are acknowledging that reach out of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Also, all of this in his first trip itself. It's a big honor for the Prime Minister as well. And this is his first trip. In fact, the first by an Indian Prime Minister in 56 years to this South American country.
You're absolutely right. Any Indian Prime Minister, it has been 56 years that any Indian Prime Minister would be reaching Guyana, and this shows the difference of the foreign policy that India has under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is also reaching out to all small nations who can be part of the developing world, and in fact could be part of the development journey along with India. Remember, Prime Minister always said that we have to take everyone along, and we have to abide by Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam mantra. And this is exactly what Prime Minister is doing. Also, in fact, Brazilian Mr. Lula from the Brazil, they are hosting G20 this time. He said that he has learnt a lot from Prime Minister Narendra Modi and how India conducted G20 presidency, and they tried to replicate that in Brazil G20 as well. So there are a lot of lessons that the world is learning from India, and these awards are actually the acknowledgement of what India is trying to do and how India is trying to take everyone together in this journey of development. And they want an India, in fact, reaching out to these nations in every way possible, and India could become the voice of them on international forums.
Absolutely. Do we have a number? How many international awards till now for the Prime Minister, Pragya?
So, Swati, till now, if you count Barbados and Guyana, then the tally becomes 19. And it's a very, very big number. Any country conferring the highest honor on any Prime Minister of India, it becomes a very big tally. 19 is a very big tally, and it also says, not just the number, it also speaks volumes about the role that India is playing in development journey of these particular countries.
All right, Pragya, thank you very much for getting us